Hello everyone and welcome to Brand New Media. Today we pause with purpose. We pause to honor the life and legacy and the lasting impact of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Dr. King was more than a leader. He was a visionary who believed that love is stronger than hate, that justice belongs to everyone, and that peace is not passive, it is powerful. He reminded us that the time is always right to do what is right. And even decades later, those words still speak to where we are today. Dr. King dreamed of a world where people are judged not by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. A world where dignity, fairness, and opportunity are not privileges, but rights. His journey was not easy. He faced resistance, criticism, and sacrifice. Yet, he chose courage over comfort and purpose over fear. Today, honoring Dr. King is not just about remembering history, it's about living the message. It's about how we treat one another, how we speak up for what is right, how we show compassion even when it's difficult. In our communities, in our workplace, in our homes, and yes, even on our social platforms. So as we reflect today, let us ask ourselves, how can I be a light? How can I serve? How can I help move the dream forward? Because the dream didn't end with Dr. King. It lives through us. Thank you for taking this moment with me. May we continue to walk in love, lead in courage, and stand for justice. This is Brand New Media. Let's keep the dream alive. Thank you for watching. Good night, everyone.